Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Amazon Fresh coupon codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Amazon Fresh. So as you guys can see, I've searched that up, Amazon Fresh coupon code, and then hit enter. So once that is done, you're gonna go over to this first website, Amazon Fresh promo codes. I'm gonna click on it. Okay. So once you're here, you're gonna see many offers here. So the first one says up to 50% off, and it's a verified code, and it was used 158 times today. So I'm gonna click on it. So for this you don't need any code. You can just directly go to the website. I'm gonna go okay, and then you can also go and export other codes as well if you want. But I'm gonna go to some other websites and show you a few more codes. So this website here, I'm gonna go here. And the first one says get $15 off with your promo code. So I'm going to click reveal code. Okay, Fresh 15 is the code to get a $15 off your first $35 plus order. And then there are many other codes. So get a $25 off with this code. You can click reveal code 25 Fresh for a $25 off. There are many other codes you can go and explore. And then I'm going to go to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, so you can go to this website. Okay, so shop sweet gifts up to 50% discount. You can click get offer. So since this is an ongoing offer, you can directly head to the website and purchase it, so you won't need a code for this. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.